Hey everyone, this is Mr. Tanner, and I just want to walk you through all of the tasks that you'll need to complete by Sunday the 13th for the blue square section of Unit 1 Intro to Social Studies. Let's take a look at the learning target first. So for the blue square learning target, it says I can identify the 5 themes of geography from a given example. So not only will you learn the 5 themes of geography, but from a video, you'll have to be able to identify which of the 5 themes they are talking about in the video. Task 1 is a set of notes around the 5 themes of geography. First, you will watch this YouTube video. It's a song about the 5 themes of geography. It's very catchy. Once you've watched the song, you're going to fill out the next page of your social study notebook with this template. So you're going to write 5 themes of geography up top. You're going to include location, place, movement, human environment interaction, and regions. And then you're going to play the song again. So you're going to listen to the song a second time and try and fill in the notes from the song. It goes fast, so it's going to be a little bit tricky. Anything that you miss, you're going to get that caught up with the second video here. This is a set of notes that I've put together, and it's going to walk you through exactly how this template is laid out. So the second video will walk you through this, but you need to watch the song. It's very catchy. It'll get stuck in your head, and it will help you remember it far better than my notes will, but both are important for completing this note sheet, and you'll turn that in on the last task. Task 2, location and place slideshow. This is a Google Classroom assignment. So when you open it up, if you have multiple accounts, you might need to select your school account. When it's opened up, you're going to have a slideshow attached to your Google Classroom. And that slideshow is going to have a bunch of different places around the world. So the first slide is the Eiffel Tower. The second slide is Chichen Itza. The third slide is the Great Pyramid of Giza. There's 14 slides total. And for each one, you're going to need to find a picture of the place, of the location. And then you're going to write what country that object is in. So what country is the Eiffel Tower in? And what continent is that country on? So you're going to need the country and continent. So this is going to be our location and place. The picture will be place. It's describing what it looks like. And the country and continent is our location. There's a video in the instructions for this that'll walk you through how to set pictures as your backgrounds, how to use the tools that you'll need. Please watch this video. It's very, very helpful in completing the assignment. Task 3 is another Google Classroom assignment. It's called Moving Ideas with Memes, and it's going to relate to movement because part of movement is ideas. So for this Google Classroom assignment, you're going to have to use Google Drawings to make a meme. And if you open up this Google Drawing, it's going to give you a meme generator. It's going to have some instructions. So choose the picture you want, drag it into the canvas, and stretch it to fill the entire canvas. You may upload your own image as long as it's appropriate from the web. If we add an image and it's in front of the text, so let's say when you drag this, it's in front of the text for some reason. If you right-click on the image, you can go to Order and Send to Back. Order, Send to Back, and it will no longer be in front of the text. So again, that's Order, Send to Back to fix that if it covers the text. Then you're going to double click to edit these words, and you're going to make a meme relating to how remote learning is for you. So you're going to make a meme that has something to do with learning remotely from home. That's task 3. You'll turn it in when you're done. Task 4 relates to human environment interaction, and it's a YouTube video about a sea in California called the Salton Sea. To watch that, you need to go to Edpuzzle. So you'll click your period link. You'll sign in with Google. You'll choose your school account. And once you've done that, so I'm the teacher, it's not signed in, but once you've done that, it'll take you straight to the assignment and you'll be able to start watching that video. As you're watching the video, questions will pop up that you need to answer, or notes will come up with comments for me that you need to read. When you're done with the video, you need to go to the next page of your social studies notebook, and you need to write 3 to 5 sentences arguing whether we should keep the lake or let the lake dry up. And you're going to want to use information from the video to help you with your argument. And 3 sentences doesn't have to be all body. You could start with, I believe that we should let the lake dry up. Here's why. That's 1 sentence. And then you can have 2 sentences about why. I'm not looking for a ton of information. I just want to see what you think. And you can learn a little bit about how humans interact with our environment. So again, click the Edpuzzle link, sign in with Google. It should take you straight to the video assignment. Task 5 is regions, and it's regions of the United States map. You're going to open the Google Classroom assignment. So open the Google Doc attached to Google Classroom, and there's going to be 2 attachments. The first attachment is a PDF, and this PDF has all of the regions of the United States, has the West, Midwest, Northeast, Southwest, and Southeast. You're going to color each region based on step 2. So step 1, label each state with its 2-letter code. This is very easy to find online. You can look up 2-letter codes for the 50 states. You can just Google that, and then you can use Cami, or you can print it if you have a printer to label each one. I would not recommend tracing that. It still is an option, but to trace all 50 state lines is not easy, and it's complicated by the fact that this map has latitude and longitude lines. So you can see latitude lines arcing across. Maybe it'll be easier to see there following my mouse. And you can see longitude lines coming straight down. So this has latitude and longitude. And if you're using Cami, you can also color in each color. You just outline the edge and then kind of fill in the gaps, and it doesn't have to be absolutely perfect. Be careful not to miss Alaska and Hawaii. These are not their actual locations. Alaska would be clear up here. If it was on the map, it's northwest of Canada, and Hawaii would be way out in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. So make sure you're still labeling Hawaii and Alaska. When you've done finishing the 2-letter codes for each state and coloring them in, you'll go back to the Google Doc, and it's going to ask you for the names of each state. So it says color the West region on the map blue, and then label each state with a 2-letter abbreviation. What states are in there? So now you're going to write, this is where you're going to be writing the actual names of the state instead of just the 2-letter codes. And then it asks you, what region are you in right now? Make sure you know what state you're in. Number 7, my brother used to live in Nebraska. What region is he? Then you have to do some work with line of longitude and line of latitude. So which line of longitude runs through Texas? Which line of latitude runs through Colorado? Make sure you don't get confused. Longitude runs up and down. Latitude runs left and right. That was task 5. Task 6 is where you're really going to test your learning target, because you're going to watch a video of Aerial America, again on Edpuzzle. So you'll just click the link. If you need to, you'll sign in with Google to your school account. And as you're watching the video, during different parts, it'll ask you what theme of geography does that relate to, and it'll be multiple choice for you to select. If there's notes that come up, please read the notes. It will save you a lot of time potentially if you read the notes carefully. And then task 7 is where you'll submit your 2 pictures for your notebook assignments. So remember, if you go into this, you'll have to just click View Assignment, Add or Attach File, and make sure you upload those pictures of the 5 themes of geography notes from task 1. And then from task 4, that first Edpuzzle video, this prompt, the write 3 to 5 sentences that you had to write in your notebook, you'll upload a picture of both of those. Once those pictures are uploaded, you're ready to take the blue square level up quiz. Remember, you need to take the quiz over and over until you get 100%, but it is open notes. Let me know once you've gotten that 100% by clicking here to email me, and then you are done with blue square. Hopefully this video will help you out as you work through these assignments. And as always, I'll be seeing you on our daily meetings. Thanks.